A very good afternoon, everyone, respected members of the jury, the whole Scotch team, other participants for this Scotch Award. Myself, Mini Rani Sharma. I am State Project Manager here in Panchayati Raj. Here I am to present on behalf of Panchayati Raj Department, Government of Jharkhand. So a brief introduction about our department. It is being headed by our Minister, Mr. Alamgir Alam.
Ma'am, you keep in mind you have 10 minutes.
Sir. And then we have our secretary, sir, Rahul Sharma. And then it is director, sir, who looks after overall work of the department. The main vision of our department is to strengthen the decentralized governance by the local people of the villages. For that, we have done many activities we have taken up. And the majorly we have taken use of ICT, information technology, for disseminating the information as well as capturing the real-time data of our assets. As you all know, sir, we have various grants like Fortune Finance grants, State Commission grants, and other development activities, and wherein the Gram Panchayat they receive fund. So we make sure that whatever assets have been built up are actually existing. For example, like there's a very poor saying in that सरकार में योजनाएं सिर्फ कागजों में बनती हैं, तो so we make sure that whatever is there on the paper, it is there. We have online websites wherein we capture all the details of the schemes. At the same time, we do geotagging. All the schemes have to be verified to the geotagging, and we have a whole system of state, district, and block committees, including the Gram Panchayat committees, which regularly monitors, and we at state, headed by our director sir himself, we head and we check that all the schemes are being done, and we take strict action against any person if they are found at fault. This is a brief glimpse of how we capture all the data and how we can see the details. Besides this, we make use of Gram Manchitra, which combines all the assets in one place, like from Manrega, from Awas Yojana, any CSC, whatever data is there, you can go to the portal and see the actual status of the schemes. And next, one of the main factor that can ensure the development of the panchayat is that we have our Panchayat Bhavan functionals. Like we talk, if we talk in terms of state, the Secretariat of the state is the main hub of action. Similarly, we want to develop the Panchayat Bhavans as an action hub so that it is vibrant. We have we have optical fiber network connected to the panchayats, and from there we lend out network to the nearest health and police station. This work is ongoing right now. Right now we have connection of optical fiber to a list of panchayats, and there we have mandated that all the community centers should be located in the Panchayat Bhavan itself. Despite the efforts for so long, it was found that these Panchayat Bhavans are not opening properly. So we have started with Anu Samarthan Didi. These people are, these women are people from the self-help group. They have been given the charge of making sure that the Bhavans are being opened up, and they are not as in the part of the administration, but they are as a representative of their community itself. We have trained them. We also have an app built up for that. We monitor their attendance. Next good thing that we have about our department Jharkhand is that we are topping in all the works that is being allotted to the department. One of the major, actually we are concerned about financial expenditure. So whatever fund has been given to the GPs, it has been directly transferred to the GPs through PFMS using that online transfer, so that there is no money lost out in the mediation, transfer of funds from district to block to GP. Directly we have transferred fund from the state to the GPs. And another important factor in when we talk about the development is social audit, because when we talk about administrative unit, it is a unit that is controlled by a number of officers. But when we talk about social audit, it means the whole population is involved. So we have performed, and we always perform all the social audit of all the grants, and we have done it on the portal itself. Panchayati Raj department played a very vital role even in the first phase of pandemic and in the second wave of pandemic. First wave, we helped migrants. As you must have read the papers and all, we got migrants lifted by air from the remote areas. We lifted our workers who were stuck up somewhere. And then once they come to the panchayat, we had made COVID quarantine centers there. All the food and everything, that thing was done there. Second major thing was to provide employment to this migrant laborers. For that, we use Manrega and our finance grant commissions, yojanas and all schemes and all, so that they get work and they get paid. These are few of the glimpses of the pandemic. We did sanitization, fogging, between two blocks. They had made one intercheck post so that if some person is coming, then they are registered, they are quarantined, they are tested. We have many GPs where they have set up this rapid test kit so that if some person is coming from outside the boundary, they are tested and no infection is being spread. We have started rapid vaccination using mobile teams. They go to door and they do the vaccination. We make awareness among people because, as you all know, many people are spreading fake news about this vaccination and etc. And poor people, because they are not, I mean, so much exposed to the negative elements of the society, so they tend to believe this rumor. So panchayats, our PRIs are playing a vital role in making these people aware of the actual fact and telling them the fact that it's very safe and it should be taken. It's the only shield that they can protect themselves. And now we have also started one COVID dashboard, which has been inaugurated today itself by Honorable Secretary Sir. And soon we are starting this audit online also. Right now we are doing the audit, but now the whole process would be done online. And so that the transparency and the accountability of each of the officer is maintained. Some of the future programs that we are planning to do very shortly, because we have started taking the applications already from the rural youth people, and we'll collect it. And we have many unemployed youth like engineers and all, though they are having degree of engineers, but they are working for some 9,000, 10,000 at simple places. Such people we will engage as a pool of resource person who would be in turn giving lectures for these people. And that we have already training institute in our panchayats in district levels, district resource, we have buildings and all. So through that, we will give them training and we will monitor from the state level itself, each training institute, how the training is going on. We are in the process of making the timetable, schedule, and syllabus and everything. So that's it in short. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, Bhushanji, you can ask. Bhushanji, you have some question?
Now, आप पूछ लीजिए. I just want to ask one thing. There was a lot of development which was done by NIC at one time. They had developed a complete panchayat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir. Yes, sir. In 2010.
So are you using that, or what are all those things?
Yes, sir. So actually, we are already using that. We have always been using that, and now all the applications are the 11 application that you are talking about. All they have been bought umbrella. Now it's e-Gram Swaraj. Like earlier, it was little tiresome. Like you have to go to one portal for putting the plans, another portal for making it ongoing, then another portal for accounting. Now them all under one umbrella. We call it e-Gram Swaraj, and it the data are interconnected. All the data flows seamlessly.
Okay. And what are the citizen level services what you have incorporated in this?
So we have this Service Plus, but that is looked not by us, by IT department. It is looked by, but since the very inception, for like providing birth certificate, death certificate, residential certificate, all these are in the provision of this our e-Gram Swaraj, earlier Panchayat Enterprise Suite as we called it. But since the very inception, this work of giving the citizen service has been given to this IT department.
Okay, so they are taking care of it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and how many GPs have been covered?
all the GPs, sir, 4,364. All the GPs are actually the best performing states all over across the country. As I saw you in the slide, we are among the top, and it is the old, I mean, of 16th June. Now we have made even more progress. It is 98% there. Now we have made more progress, sir. And despite the fact that right now we are working with less number of our human resource, actually our hierarchy is in state. I am heading this project. In district, we have DPMs, and then we have in block the operators. But we do not have operators because since we have moved from 14 finance to 15 finance, so we need to make fresh recruitment for 15 finance. But this COVID and all, we were not able to recruit, and it is even the whole. It's a very commendable thing for the entire team that we have, despite working with less human resource, we are on top list of top performing states.
Good.
And are you working with some NGOs also?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Because we have a huge.
Or social audit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Social audit, we work social audit in our Jharkhand, we take 7 days, and we have a complete team. We have a complete unit set up in our state that is called social audit unit, and that is headed by the secretary. And then we have the whole team there in state. Then we have in district DRPs, we call it district resource person. Then in block we have BRPs. Then till the village level we call it VRPs. These people are given training on various schemes, how to audit. They are explained everything, and there's a 7-day program. The program is given to the Gram Panchayat that on a particular date the team will come. First day they go and study the records.
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you. We got you. Got you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.